Today, we're going to uncover how the mysterious glow of deep-sea creatures, bioluminescence, has inspired nature-based innovations and could shape the technologies of our future. But before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is for curious minds, people who ask questions, think critically, and want to understand how the natural world sparks discoveries and inventions. From glowing fish to magical jellyfish, we explore how scientists study these amazing creatures and translate their brilliance into innovations that could change our world. If that excites you, subscribe to Inspired Minds and join us on this journey of discovery and inspiration. Imagine living in a world where light doesn't come from wires, bulbs, or electricity, but from life itself. Imagine walking down a street softly lit by natural glowing plants, or using devices powered by organisms that shine exactly when we need them to. Sounds impossible, right? Well, deep beneath the waves, far below where sunlight can reach, creatures already live this reality. Creatures that glow, sparkle, pulse, and shimmer like living stars in a pitch-black universe. So here's the question. Could these mysterious glowing animals be holding the blueprint for the future of human technology? In the deep sea, millions of years of evolution have perfected a type of light that is efficient, self-generating, and unbelievably beautiful. Bioluminescence. A natural glow created inside living organisms, with no electricity, no pollution, and almost no wasted energy. This is more than a pretty light show. Today, scientists are beginning to unlock its secrets. And those secrets are already inspiring new breakthroughs in medicine, engineering, sustainability, and even future space exploration. So let's dive into the glowing abyss to uncover how nature's light could one day illuminate our future. But what's truly astonishing is how this underwater glow became a survival strategy in one of the harshest environments on Earth. In a world where sunlight disappears after just a few hundred feet, deep-sea creatures had to invent their own light. Some use it to hunt, others to hide, and many to communicate in ways we're only beginning to understand. Imagine a landscape where predators glow to lure prey, shrimp shoot bursts of blue fire as smoke screens, and fish blend into the darkness using biological camouflage. It's a world built on light, yet almost completely invisible to us until very recently. What makes this even more incredible is the sheer precision behind every flicker, flash, and beam. Deep-sea animals don't waste energy the way our light bulbs do. Their glow is created by elegant chemical reactions, luciferin meeting luciferase, producing light with an efficiency far beyond any technology humans have engineered. While our brightest lamps burn hot and leak energy, these animals shine with almost perfect conversion. A glow so refined, so optimized, it reveals just how powerful nature's designs can be. And here, where the story becomes even more surprising, scientists realized this natural glow could be more than just a spectacle. When researchers first began studying bioluminescent proteins, they uncovered tools that would transform modern science. One of these, called GFP, green fluorescent protein, allowed biologists to literally light up living cells. For the first time in human history, researchers could track diseases inside the body, watch neurons fire in real time, and map the inner workings of life with glowing accuracy. What began as the shimmer of a jellyfish has now become one of the most important inventions in medical research. But the innovation doesn't stop with medicine, because engineers are now turning to the ocean for answers too. What if buildings could be lit without electricity? What if emergency signs could glow on their own during power outages? What if we could create materials that detect damage by glowing at the exact spot where they're weakening? Inspired by the natural luminescence of deep-sea creatures, scientists are developing early prototypes of self-illuminating materials, smart surfaces that might one day replace energy-hungry lighting altogether. A tiny spark in the ocean could lead to sustainable cities on land. Even more remarkable is how bioluminescence is reshaping the way we think about future energy. Traditional lighting requires wires, grids, and constant power, but nature shows us a path where light can be grown instead of manufactured. Researchers are exploring biolighting, genetically modifying plants to glow softly, potentially turning trees and gardens into living street lamps. It's early, experimental, and full of challenges. Yet every year, the possibility becomes a little less like science fiction and a little more like a future waiting to be built. And if you think this technology ends on Earth, imagine what it could mean for space. Astronauts on long missions need systems that are lightweight, reliable, and incredibly efficient. Bioluminescent organisms naturally meet all those requirements. Some scientists believe that future spacecraft might carry engineered glowing life forms that help detect radiation, signal structural stress, or provide emergency lighting, all without electricity. The same light that helped deep-sea creatures survive crushing darkness might one day guide humanity through the silence of space. What makes this journey truly profound is realizing how much of the deep ocean is still unexplored. More than 80% of it remains unseen, untouched, and unknown. Every dive reveals creatures scientists never knew existed, each one potentially holding a new clue, a new protein, a new mechanism that could revolutionize the way we live. The ocean isn't just a mysterious place, it's a vast library of ideas, refined over millions of years, waiting for us to learn from them. And yet this final truth might be the most important of all. If we want the future these discoveries promise, we need to protect the world they come from. Deep-sea ecosystems are fragile. Pollution, warming waters, and human interference threat species we may not even have discovered yet. Every glowing creature is more than a marvel. It's a possible breakthrough, a technology humanity hasn't yet imagined, a solution to a problem we haven't solved. Protecting the ocean means protecting our own future. So as we look down into that vast glowing darkness, we're not just witnessing beauty, we're witnessing potential. The deep sea shows us a vision of what's possible when nature becomes our teacher. A place where light is clean, efficient, self-generated, and endlessly inspiring. And if we continue to study these living lights with curiosity and respect, the inventions they inspire may one day illuminate our cities, power our tools, and guide our steps into worlds beyond Earth. If this journey into nature's hidden brilliance sparked your curiosity, I'd love to have you join me for more. Inspired Minds is all about uncovering the natural wonders that shaped human innovation, from glowing oceans to the quiet genius of animals that helped us build the technologies we rely on today. So, if you want to keep exploring these extraordinary connections between nature and human invention, make sure to subscribe, stay curious, and keep discovering the inspiration hidden all around us.